chemical control legislations, they aim to minimize the impacts or the adverse impacts of chemicals into the environment and human health.
This topic of chemical control legislation means a lot to IFRA as an industry that is in the middle of the value chain, receiving inputs from the chemical industry, and particularly for Latin America, it's a very emerging legislation.
Fragrances are mixtures of chemicals, synthetic chemicals, and natural. So we need to be inserted in these discussions to avoid any kind of negative impact of poorly built regulations.
For IFRA, it's key to collaborate with our national associations in the region. We have 5 national associations in Latin America representing the fragrance industry. And this collaboration is key for IFRA. Why? Because IFRA, throughout these national associations, they collaborate with the local partners in each one of the countries where IFRA is.
A poorly built regulation on this topic can inhibit innovation, add additional extra costs that are unnecessary sometimes, or ask for repeated studies or repeated data from other studies. So we need to contribute with authorities and also our stakeholders to build workable regulations on this topic.
IFRA collaborates with the national associations via providing technical inputs and providing scientific advice, and also supporting them in their advocacy and regulatory monitoring practices.
And in the region, we participate in LARF, which is the Latin America Regulatory Cooperation Forum for Chemical Control Management.
In 2023, for IFRA, we had ongoing emerging regulation there, and particularly the implementation of GHS in countries like Chile and Colombia especially, who are creating their national inventories, are also creating other mechanisms to implement the GHS.
So we worked with them on the implementation of the regulation in such a way that it is workable and does not impede innovation.
Also, as IFRA, we have organized or joined several events, webinars, capacity building activities, etc., on the topic of chemical control legislation.
And for 2024, there are many developing regulations in the region, such as in Brazil, Argentina. So we are working with the national associations as well as with LARF so that we have a workable regulation also in these countries.
In particular for countries such as Brazil, Peru, and Argentina, who are in a more intermediate level regarding this type of regulation.
This is a topic that we have to pay attention in each country because it's usually country-based in the region. It has to implicate into the local needs of each country. So we have to respect them.
And of course, we also expect to have more capacity building activities, webinars, seminars, etc., with our members, with our partner associations, and other stakeholders toward leveraging advocacy in that important topic for the region.